Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Be the first to occupy this newly renovated 3-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom home located in the family-friendly neighborhood of River Oaks, Ocho Rios. This property comes complete with all ensuite bedrooms, electronic gate, a garage, powder room, and in-unit laundry. It is a mere 10 minutes from the town center of Ocho Rios. This property is close to attractions such as Duns Rivers Falls, White River rafting, numerous beaches, restaurants, and entertainment. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The rental price for this house is US $1,200 or Jamaican $184,600 per month. To rent this house, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.